How would you describe the results, Yeltsin? What happened initially?
So initially, I had an issue with my back. Specifically, it was an issue in the L5S1.
Yep.
And so I had an issue with my left leg, but now I'm getting better. So I have finished the week 4 of the rehab plan,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
I'm getting better slowly, doing the
Mm-hmm.
exercise every day.
And what was your symptoms initially, Yeltsin?
I feel that the left leg was pain and tingling all the way down until the foot, the calf,
Yeah,
the
yeah,
hamstring.
yeah.
Now it's getting better, so it's just like the sensation is going up. So
Yep.
now it's just focusing the hamstring
And the
a little bit in
strength,
the back.
in terms of the strength, literally, that leg didn't feel strong as well initially.
I'm getting stronger, the muscles, the
Mm-hmm.
hamstring, the calf, and yeah,
Absolutely, which
and
means
the
like,
core
yeah,
exercise with the bird dog is helping me a lot as well.
you're doing a lot of activity through the day. You're walking
Yeah,
now pain-free,
exactly.
uh,
Yeah.
and that's a huge progress, I suppose. Like even like calf raises initially wasn't comfortable to do them. The left leg wasn't really having that much power, and right now you do have a good power. That I'm gonna share with them, and like the exercise that you're doing right now briefly as well as part of this video. There's a lot of progression there that I'm delighted, man. How would you rate, like let's say in terms of discomfort and pain from the last 4 weeks until now? How much have you seen improvement?
For example, if we rate the pain from 0 to 10, and
Yeah,
10 is the worst
yeah,
scenario, so now it's between 2 and 3. So, which is, I
absolutely.
can manage this pain.
And be active, which means you're now
Yeah,
walking daily, you're doing
yeah,
your daily
exactly.
living, you know what I mean, pain free. Sitting was initially was very uncomfortable,
Yeah,
and now you can manage to sit down for an hour. That's what
yeah,
you were saying, with no issue. Is that right?
yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
mean,
I
like
can manage
yeah,
more time sitting in front of the computer.
this is a huge progression, Yeltsin, and I just wanted to share with my clients over there, because there's a thing is that a lot of people are thinking that there's a magic bullet to fix back pain, etc. But you are doing a lot of activity in a daily basis, and you're really sticking to the plan. That's something that I want to share with everybody. What is actually required to do to basically get pain free and recover. And there's no one way to do it. We discuss
Yeah,
in terms of your rehab, we go through your
yeah,
plan. You are not just like literally focusing on pain. You are pretty active, and we can see like overall in the last 4 weeks you had a huge progress that I can't be happier. Here in this chart we're measuring kind of like your weekly activity, and we have kind of like a pain monitor chart that kind of like really regulate how much is too much for us. Yeltsin, is there
yeah.
anything else that you like to share with people?
I would like to share that being constant is the key of this. So
Consistent.
I'm doing this exercise from Monday to Sunday almost every day because
Absolutely,
I want to
absolutely,
get back and fully recover. And
absolutely.
yeah, it's the
Yeah.
most important thing. Yeah.
Brilliant. Listen, I couldn't be happier. You're on the right track. Keep doing what you're doing, and your program is not finished here. We keep going and we progressing your routine, and we modifying things that does help you. And that coaching part that I would be helping you through this program, and I couldn't be happier. Listen, thank you so much for sharing this your
Thank you
experience.
very much, Bob.
Not at all. Listen, you're doing the job, and I'm delighted with your results so far.